Well, they were right up front with how much will it cost. A lot of people won't tell you that. Um, Once I realized it was in my budget, I said, let's do this. Well, I walk in the door now and I'm happy because it's light. If you walked into a dark place, you wouldn't be very happy. Mm-hmm. So that changed my attitude. That was good. And also, I can work at the dining room table and never turn on a lamp. When it's full sunlight, it's just wonderful. And you've got to see the jacuzzi. There's this gorgeous light coming through the ceiling that really, really looks fabulous in there. Everyone was wonderful. I even got a call after installation to be sure I was happy, and of course I was, and I still am. And it seems like Peter just works seamlessly. Had I not seen him come and go, I wouldn't even know he was here. He never made a bit of dust and cut holes in the ceiling. He's just magical.